welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to close the month and log prior periods in QuickBooks Online. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you gotta do is simply go to your QuickBooks. So once you are in your QuickBooks, you need to simply get logged in into your QuickBooks account. So after you get logged in into your QuickBooks Online and simply purchase a plan for it, you need to simply go and tap on the gear icon, which is the settings, and you need to simply tap on account and settings. Then once you have done this, you can find the advanced option right over there. Simply tap on it and turn on the close the book feature. Set your desired closing date and choose whether to require a password for changes to closed transactions or not, and click save, and you're all done to finish. So this way you can close the month and log prior periods in QuickBooks Online. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.